Hello class, welcome to the next module or chapter or whatever we'd like to call it. This one is going to be about number systems. This first section is titled Ancient Number Systems here, but you might also see it in the shell written as non-positional number systems. So maybe mark that on your notes just so you're not confused if something is labeled slightly different in there. Next, we will be doing positional number systems, which also includes a couple ancient number systems in it. So I don't want confusion on these are the only ancient number systems we're discussing. This is in this section, we are doing Egyptian and Roman, and then we'll do Babylonian and Mayan in the next. So all ancient number systems of different varieties. Here's a little excerpt at the top. I encourage you to read that, learn a little bit about the history of these Egyptian hieroglyphics. The reason this is a non-positional number system is because the order in which these symbols are written don't actually change anything. All right, we've got one way that they can be displayed here. You'll see in the homework that they might look slightly different. For example, this lotus or water lily looks like this in one depiction, and it looks like this in another. So just realize that there's two differences that you might see throughout the homework, and do your best to draw each one to make sure that I could see which one you were meaning to display. We're just going to dive straight in and do this first example, show you how it is. Whether I began to say it or not, this is non-positional because you could write the ones first, you could write the thousands first. The order in which you list your symbols don't matter. It really is just an accumulation of all of those symbols being put together. So it's not left to right or right to left or up to down. It's just the accumulation of the different values put together. So if I want to display 4,622 as an Egyptian numeral, I need 4 pieces that are worth 1,000. So 4 lotuses. I need 600. So I'm going to need 6 of our little swirls or coils. 20. So 2 of these and 2. So 2 1 values. And that's really what it is. We could write them straight across. So I'll say option 1. Because again, this is non-positional. It doesn't really matter in the way you list it. We can do 4 of our little, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't draw this twice since my art is not the best. All right, we've got 4 of our little flower men. Monsters looking like they're out of Super Mario or something. All right, 4,600, so 6 swirls. Again, the art, it does not need to be perfect. As you're doing the homework, some of them, especially the reversal, you're not going to be able to draw the symbols onto the computer, so that will be a multiple choice, but I would like you to practice trying to draw the symbols on your paper, because if I were to put this on an assessment, I'd give you the key, but I need you to be able to draw the symbols. So kind of practice yourself. So far we have 4,620, so 2 10s and 2. So that's one option. All right, option 2, I'm gonna do this as fast as I can. We could have, oh, maybe I'm not gonna do it as fast as I can. It's not gonna be legible. 4 of our little flower guys. And then maybe I do the rest under 4,622. All right, again, as long as all of the symbols are there, it doesn't actually matter if it's written left to right, biggest to smallest. I could put the ones first and then the 10s and then the thousands or hundreds. All right, whatever that order is, it's very fluid in the way the hieroglyphics work.